here we go. We are on the Shellraiser, the world's steepest roller coaster. And we're pretty excited about, oh man, it is like that, just right out of the station. Oh God! Oh! Here we go! Oh man! Get ready to launch. Here we go, guys. Oh crap, here it comes. No! Whee! Oh man, that was awesome! Oh! Woo! Oh God! Oh man, there's been a lot of upside downy bits. Whee! Here we go! Oh man! Oh, whoo! It is not over yet, guys. That is just part one. We still have the world's steepest moment coming up. Oh crap, and we have, is that a vertical lift hill?
That's a vertical lift hill.
Oh, these scare the bejesus out of me. All right, get ready, everybody. Oh man, here we go, guys. Get ready to go up.
Straight up.
Pretty far. And then straight down with the world's steepest drop. Oh crap. Oh my God, what is happening to us? I see a lot of ceiling. That is a lot of ceiling. Oh man, here we go.
Oh dear. Oh, I'm nervous.
I am very nervous.
This is very
Oh,
something.
it's happening. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Oh, what a pretty view.
Oh, it's New York.
Oh crap. Oh, we are just being hung over here.
I'm just gonna look at New York. Everything's
Oh
gonna be fine.
gosh.
And I'm
We're
really
okay.
nervous.
We're okay, guys.
Oh God.
How are you doing?
Not okay.
Oh man. It could start going any moment
God.
now. Oh man.
dear.
Okay. All right. I'm oh my God. Oh my God. It's happening a little bit more.
Jeez.
Oh, this is not cool.
Terrifying.
This is they are
Oh my
doing
God, you
something.
can't even see
Oh! Oh! Whee! Oh man! Oh, it is upside down all over. Woo! Oh man! Did we survive?
Crazy.
Wow, we made it.
Woo.
All right, guys. Woo! All right.
Break. Need a break.
Yeah, catch my breath, catch my breath. World's steepest roller coaster. That was incredible. Oh man.